Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to take a look at these trending hair transformations. So first up, she starts off with shoulder length hair and the stylist is cutting the hair into a bob. So it looks like her bob comes to around neck length. She ended up getting beautiful angled bangs in the front to perfectly frame her face. Stunning bob and color combo. I love that color against her complexion. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And then we see a method for getting rid of split ends. I believe that's what that technique is called. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments, which I'm sure you guys will. And then we move into the next transformation. So she starts off with super long hair. So she's cut the hair to about mid-length. And then she also got some color. Looks like a nice, gorgeous honey blonde. That color really brightened up her complexion. Nice haircut and color combo. And then we see a stunning bob. Looks like she's going to add some color. So it looks like the stylist just kind of did like a little hint of color, nothing too drastic, and then she's kind of trimming her ends. And this is a very blunt bob. Gorgeous, her hair looks so healthy and shiny. Oh my goodness. So she is going from super long hair to a pixie cut. It's kind of a shame though because I don't think she's donating the hair, but I could be wrong. Because he is kind of sectioning it off as he goes, but usually when they do the hair in the ponytail, you know that it's going to be donated. So unfortunately, we did not get to see what he ended up doing with her hair, but we're going to move into a color transformation for the next one. So she ended up going with this bright blonde look. Oh, so he added in some highlights as well. This is stunning. Very pretty, and she's rocking that blonde in the form of a lob. And then we move into another color and cut transformation. So she pretty much just got her ends cut, and then of course she got some color as well. She has a nice ombre blonde look going on with this transformation. And then the stylist did add some fresh curls and waves. Very nice. Oh, we see someone else cutting their hair. So she has the ponytails going and she's cutting the hair. Looks like she's going to be doing a pixie cut. Oh, she's shaving it all off. And then we see this gorgeous bob that features rainbow peekaboo coloring in the back. Such a fun look. You can't even see it until you lift up a hair. I love that technique. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for these hairstyles. If you felt inspired by any of today's looks, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.